Today we have a patient, 32-year-old man from Philippines. His complaint was thinning of the hair from the crown, mid-scalp, and the frontal area. And we have done the smart FUE to tackle his hair loss issue. And now I would like to ask him, how did he choose Glojas?
So I started my journey coming here in Glojas. When I searched it like 3 months ago, the first one to came out was the Glojas hair transplant. So I decided to come here from my hometown, 2 to 3 hours from the airport, come here in Kuala Lumpur and visit Dr. Glojas and the team. And they did a very good procedure for my hair transplant. And I can't really wait to my best result. And I think everything that I did was very worthy. This is a true journey from me, and I will recommend this to all my friends who has a hair loss as well. Thank you very much, Glojas.